Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FLO charging setup for home and workplace usage. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your charging needs for both home and workplace usage. Identify the type of electric vehicle you have and your charging requirements. Select a suitable FLO charging station that matches your vehicle specifications. Ensure the charging station is compatible with your local electrical systems. Choose a location at home that is close to your parking space for the charger installation. Consider whether you will need an external or indoor setup based on your space. If installing outdoors, ensure the location is sheltered to protect against weather conditions. Consult a licensed electrician to review your chosen installation site. Discuss any necessary electrical upgrades to support the charging station. Secure all required permits for electrical work in your area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for unboxing and installing the FLO charger. Safely mount the charging unit using the provided hardware. Connect the charging station to your home's power supply, ensuring safety precautions are observed. Test the connection to confirm that the unit is powered correctly. Download the FLO mobile app for remote access and monitoring. Create an account in the app to manage your charging sessions. Customize your charging preferences within the app, setting up charging schedules if desired. Register your payment details for seamless transactions. For workplace setups, coordinate with your facility manager for installation logistics. Identify high-traffic areas where the charging station will be most effective in a workplace setting. Repeat the assessment for electrical capacity and space similar to the home setup. Once installed, introduce staff to the charging station features and how to use the app. Monitor usage patterns and adjust operational hours to optimize availability. Regularly check for software updates within the FLO app to ensure performance. Consider adding additional charging stations in response to demand over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.